This mama is ready to slay again si Winwin Marquez sa pageant scene sa kanyang pagsabak sa Miss Universe Philippines. Narito ang aking chika. New Year, New Me ang peg ni Winwin Marquez sa post niya on IG ng naka-two-piece swimsuit. Fit and fab ang Sparkle Mom. Nag-share din si Winwin ng behind the scenes ng isa niyang photoshoot. Caption niya dito, "This mama is ready to have fun." At hindi lang daw for fun, ready si Winwin.
Teresita Sen Winwin Marquez, Miss Universe Philippines, Muntinlupa.
Ready na rin daw ang Sparkle Star na muling sumabak sa pageant stage bilang kinatawan ng Muntinlupa City sa Miss Universe Philippines. Hindi raw itinuturing na isang risk ni Winwin ang kanyang muling paglaban sa pageant. Almost 8 years matapos koronahan bilang kauna-unahang Pinay na Reyna Hispano-Americana.
For me, I'm more of scared of the question of what if. I do not want any regrets. And an opportunity like this came to me, I have to grab it. Hindi natin alam kung kailan ulit mangyayari yun, di ba?
Noong 2023, binago ng Miss Universe pageant ang kanilang rules at pwede nang sumali ang mga kandidata regardless of their marital and parental status. Kasama niya nang nag-anunsyo siya ang kanyang inspirasyon sa muli niyang pagsali, ang kanyang nag-iisang anak na si Luna.
I want her to watch me on stage. And when she grows up and say, my mom joined Miss Universe Philippines. My mom didn't give up on a dream. And that for me is a win already.
Full support kay Winwin ang kanyang pinsan na si Miss Universe Philippines 2023, Michelle Marquez D.
I mean, there was no doubt that I would do that. Of course, she's my cousin, but she's also not very hard to support. Again, she's so kind, she's so talented, she has so much potential, and I know that her heart is in the right place. And for me, she is one of the best embodiments of a modern-day Filipino mother.